টাটা IPL 2024 Kolkata Knight Riders vs Sunrise Hyderabad first qualify match detail and final playing 11. Date 21 May 2024. Time 7:30 PM. Venue Ahmedabad Cricket Stadium. Team Sunrise Hyderabad final playing 11. Number 1 Travis Head, left-handed batsman. Number 2 Abhishek Sharma, left-handed batsman. Number 3 Rahul Tripathi, right-handed batsman. Number 4 Henrik Klaasen, right-handed wicketkeeper batsman. Number 5 Nitish Kumar Reddy, all-rounder. Number 6 Abdul Samad, right-handed batsman. Number 7 Shahbaz Ahmed, all-rounder. Number 8 Bhuvneshwar Kumar, fast bowler. Number 9 Pat Cummins, fast bowler. Number 10 Mayank Markant, spin bowling. Number 11 T Natarajan, fast bowler. Team Kolkata Knight Riders final playing 11. Number 1 Rahmanullah Gurbaz, right-handed wicketkeeper batsman. Number 2 Sunil Narayan, all-rounder. Number 3 Shreyas Iyer, right-handed batsman. Number 4 Venkatesh Iyer, left-handed batsman. Number 5 Nitish Rana, left-handed batsman. Number 6 Rinku Singh, left-handed batsman. Number 7 Andre Russell, all-rounder. Number 8 Harshit Rana, fast bowler. Number 9 Mitchell Starc, fast bowler. Number 10 Varun Chakraborty, spin bowling. Number 11 Suyash Sharma, spin bowling. Who will this match? Comment. Don't forget like and subscribe.